Okay guys, now you can see the retail unit is in front of me, and when you buy online you need to make sure that the device is original from the supplier. So you can see when there's a seal here, it haven't break, then it's mean original. If normally the unsealed unit is all from AP set. So this one is the original set, as you can see, and distribute also by AVEX, which is one of the contributor of Nokia. Okay, now let us unbox it. Okay. Wow, this is the device. You can see. I order a black color, and it has a nice copper accent, copper plate also here, as you can see the device. We have a SIM ejector. Oh, it comes with a TPU cover for the 7 Plus, manual guide, safety info, documentation, stuff like that. Last but not least, let us check the... Oh, thank God, he gave us the 3-pin UK 3-pin plug, which is more convenient for us, the user. The Nokia branding. And let us see the rating. As you can see here, the output is 5V 2.5 amp, 9V 2 amp, 1.2V 1.5 amp. So from this rating we can make sure that it is a fast charging device. Also get a quite decent bun of headset with gel, I think 2 sizes. Last but not least, the USB cable, which is USB Type C, USB Type A, the standard USB Type A to USB Type C, which is reversible for both direction. We can plug in. Okay, that's all for my video. If you like my video, please press like. I will appreciate it if you become a subscriber. If you want to see more video, please subscribe to my channel. That's all. Thanks.